I was young, and even when I grew up, we saw her basically on holidays, but all holidays, not just Rosh Hashanah and Yom Kippur or Pesach. She came for all the little holidays too. And although she was not observant, she was a religious woman. And she came to synagogue with me every single time she came. She would go and sit through the services and enjoy them. She would never seek them out. She was a religious woman in that she believed completely in God, which is unusual, I think, to actually vocalize it that way. And she believed in being just, more than just, kind to other people. I never heard her say a bad word about anybody. And she went out of her way to make sure that people had what they needed, those around her that she knew, of course. She was a religious person, but she was not observant in any way, shape, or form. But she did go to services with me all the time. Since we had started the synagogue, we had sort of an open sesame door, and I always brought my mother and father, but I always brought Kadia and Simcha when they came too.